Hi guys, today will be a final episode of our Honda restoration project. Yeah, I just got wheels from a Fibreshine company. Let me show you how they look. Yeah, that's freshly new, freshly painted, freshly diamond cut. And let's take them home, put them on the car, and see how it looks. Yeah, come on.
We finally got evening without rain because it was raining heavily. I already unloaded the tires. Let's put them on the car and let me show how they look. And final step, wheel caps. Obviously that I polished them. Alright, now I will do a final wash, final waxing, and it will be ready. And that's it, guys. Wash it, clean it, and basically that's all, you know. I'm kind of even, let's say, confused what to do next, you know, like all those things that we did together, and now it's finished. Like I'm kind of happy, and you know, weird feeling, you know, like need something new, you know. Let me take you closer to show you how it looks from a close distance. So let me show you how it looks from a close distance. It's nice, reflective. You can probably see our reflection in the doors. Yeah, everything's nice and shiny and polished and cool. Really looks really cool. I mean, you know, like look at that. I can see the bushes on in the door reflection. Yeah, really awesome. I mean, I like how it looks. I don't know how about you, but I personally really like the look. You know, nice, clean. You know, so yeah, you can see the reflection. So yeah, I think it looks cool. What do you think? And that will be it, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching all those parts of our restoration project. Yeah, hit the bell, subscribe, leave a comment. You know, I like when you leave some comments. It shows some that you are kind of interested, you know, and I'm not just speaking with myself. Because sometimes I feel like I'm like a crazy person that speaks with himself, you know. Yeah. So see you and keep tuned.